Hello guys. So this video is a tutorial. How to install Blueprint to game. So the first is download tsrp, then open the download folder or find it. Or click this. Then this. So find the folder that you downloaded from MediaFire or whatever site is it. Tap it. Then tap this. This. Then you'll see this folder. Then tap this and the copy. Tap that and tap the device memory. Tap Android plus the data. Then find this. Tap that folder, then Files plus Blueprints. Then tap that paste icon. Sorry guys if the audio was bad. And open the game. Tap this Blueprints. And you see the folder came to recently. It works.
Yeah.